Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to install WordPress on our hosting platform. So I'm going to use the hamburger as usual. I'm going to come to the hamburger. So I'm going to use the hamburger right here, and this is the hamburger. So I'm going to use the hamburger right now. If you don't know what hamburger is, let me show you what it is. So we're going to use the hamburger right here. Let me show you what hamburger is. So this is your hamburger right here. This is your hamburger right here. So we're going to use this hamburger to access our dashboard, to access all the menus on our dashboard. So let's do that right now. So I'll click on the hamburger, then I'll come to the website, this right here. So I'll come to the website to create our first website using WordPress. So I'm going to click on website right now, and having to click on website, it brings me here, and right here I'm going to use the add website. That will be the button I'll use, this add website. So I'm going to use it to access the next page. So I'm going to add website, and here in add website I'm going to use the WordPress. Since we've used Hostinga website builder, so right now I'm going to use WordPress to build whatever we want to build, and this WordPress right here, and that's what I'll select right now. So it's a flexible customization for diverse needs. Here you can build any website with WordPress. Most of the websites you see online today were built with WordPress, and right now I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to use WordPress to build a website, but we are going to install it first on our hosting plan before it goes live. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to click on WordPress, and having to click on WordPress, it brings me to the next page, and this next page will have me create a login details for this WordPress account. You're going to give a mail, a WordPress admin mail for the setup. This is how you log into your backend. Then I'm going to give it a password. A password needs to have one number, one lowercase letter. It needs to use 8 to 50 characters, one symbol, one uppercase letter, only Latin letters. So we are good to go. So right now I'm going to give a password that will be reasonable to me. So right now I just inputted my password and everything is correct. So I'm going to next right now, and right now we're going to be able to next that. Here we are being asked what type of website do you want to build. Depends on the type of website you want to build. So you could say business and services, online store. It depends on the website you want to build. So I could easily choose business and services. So let me choose business and services. And right now you would see you can create with AI. I've shown you how to create with AI. Now you can use pre-built website and themes. So you could just choose this pre-built website and themes, and you're going to next. But you could see other parts of it. You could create a blank website. So we could say we want to create a blank website, or you use something like this as I'm showing you right now. So this is the pre-built website and themes. Of course, you need themes to develop a website. So we're going to use the pre-built websites and themes as a mobile phone website designer. So let's click on pre-built website and themes. We're going to next that right now, and this way we're going to choose a template. We're going to choose a template from here. So let's see different templates we could customize for ourselves. So you could choose any of these templates to customize for yourself. Let me just build from scratch. So I could choose the build from scratch option to continue. So I could say build from scratch. So let me just build from scratch. So I'm going to click on build from scratch, and here in build from scratch you have to choose a theme. Right now we have different theme. Right now you could see different theme right here, but I'll be using the Blocksy. I'm familiar with Blocksy, so I'll be using Blocksy to build this particular website. So I'll be using Blocksy right here. So we're going to use Blocksy to build, and there's Astra. If you want to, you can use Astra to build whatever you want to build. You can use Generate Press, but it depends on what goes for you, and you could go ahead to change your theme later on if you want to, and you can do all this on your mobile device. So this is what you need to start up a WordPress website. There's no WordPress website you don't need a theme. You need a theme to make a WordPress website functional. So we have to install a theme alongside our WordPress installation. So how do we choose a theme? I could choose Astra. Let me just choose Astra for now. So I'll choose Astra, and here in Astra you'll see that we have Astra. We could do all this later, so I'm just going to skip all this because I could do all this later. So let me just skip all this for now. So I'm going to use the button skip to skip. So I'm going to skip all this. Then it takes me to where I'm going to use my domain name. I told you about domain name, and we have one already, and we have it connected here on Hostinga already. So I'm going to use that same domain name, which is aapsds.com. Yes. So I'm going to use the same domain name, and I'm going to use it to install my WordPress website. So right now I have aapsds.com. So I'm going to use this right now, and you can use this domain for your website, but you need to connect it manually. So I'm going to proceed right now, and having to proceed, I'll be able to install WordPress on Hostinga, and this is all you needed to do. Once you have WordPress installed on your Hostinga, we're going to be able to access this WordPress. So to install is very easy. You could use themes, you could use plugins, but what we did here, we chose a theme because a WordPress website cannot really function without a theme. So you do need a theme to make a WordPress website function. So that's why we chose a theme, and we chose the Astra theme. But we're still going to do more customization. I'll still show you what the WordPress dashboard looks like. I'll still talk about the WordPress themes for mobile phone user. I'll still talk about the WordPress plugins, and I'm going to show you how to build websites with a custom code and generative AI, how you could easily create different blog posts with generative AI as well. But for now, we'll be able to install WordPress on our Hostinger hosting platform, which makes more sense because WordPress is a tool for us to build a website and is a content management system. And I'm going to show you how to use this content management system on your mobile phone to build different websites, and you're going to know how it goes using WordPress. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to show you the WordPress dashboard navigation. And currently, this is the WordPress dashboard. This is what it looks like right now. And from the dashboard, you could see we have different things. And I'm going to show you what all this is all about. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.